Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the home of automobile. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through step-by-step process on how to locate the function of each particular fuse. So each fuse have a specific function. So I'm going to take you through to show you how you can locate what each fuse represents. So you are going to go with me on this journey. Let me show you step-by-step process. Let's go. Click on the CAMIN, then go to Acura. Click on it. We are using MDX. Click on the MDX. Go to 2007. Click on it. Then go to fuse relay power ground. Okay. Click on it. Then we are looking for power distribution, how the fuse distribute current. So we click on the power distribution. First of all, you come to first one. You open it up. Expand it so that I can see it very clear. Okay. Expand it. I hope you are seeing it now. This is the battery. Now from the battery you have black color wire that comes out from the battery. One side of it is going to the starter cylinder, that is the kickstarter, the starter. Then the other side, one of the wire is going to the fuse box. This is one of the wire entering the fuse box here. Let's see the particular fuse box. This is left front of engine compartment main under hood fuse box. Okay, this is the outside fuse box by your left hand side. Yes, by your left hand side. So one of the currents from the battery is going in there. Now from this place now, the currents here enter some of the fuse. I believe these are the power fuse, 40 amp, 30 amp, and all, and the rest of them. So you see some of the fuse here, the functions. This is rear right blower fuse, 30 amp. We have ABS fuse here. We have trailer main fuse here. We have OP2 main fuse here. You see the connection. You see how they connect, so that if anything goes wrong, you can actually trace to the line that is 40. So from that connection, from this power fuse now you see another line. Anytime you see cross like this and dot, that's a junction box. Just like you joining a wire together. So that place is a junction box. And from that junction box, you now cross to another. They call this one multi fuse one. Yes, multi fuse one. We have 70 amp. We have 120 amp. Okay, still inside that fuse box. We have another one, fuse 8, and the number you can trace the number through the diagram. When you get to the diagram, they can still bring you back to they will mention the name of the fuse, the number of the fuse. Then when you mention the number of the fuse, you can trace down to this place. So these are the fuse in that particular component. There are other ones when you open up the next page. Okay, they said not in use. This one, they said not in use, not used. Okay, these three not used. So maybe this one is just spare. But if anything happens to this one, you can switch to this area, not used. Okay, this is rear right blower fuse, 30 amp, and it's going to, if something happens to this fuse now, it will affect the rear blower motor relay. It will not send current to the rear blower motor relay. That is the only work of that fuse. Then this one, ABS to VSA fuse, that is 40 amp. Its only work is to send current to VSA modulator. Okay. Then this one, the trailer main fuse, the function here, that's 40 amp. The function here is send current to other fuses. Okay, you can see other fuse here. Send current to other fuse. Then from this fuse, from this trailer fuse 40 amp, send current to the rear, they call it rear fuse stroke relay box. That means there's another fuse box at the back left side of the car at the boot. Okay, so we send current to that particular fuse now, that particular fuse box. Now from that place, from that same fuse supply current to 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 fuse. You understand? Fuse 1, fuse 2, fuse 3, fuse 4 at the back fuse box. Now, the fuse 1 control the trailer light control unit. The fuse 2 control the trailer light relay. Fuse 3 control the trailer charge relay. Fuse 4 control the trailer backup light relay. So if you remove this fuse now, it will affect these 4. It will affect these 4. So, but if you remove any one among these 4, it will affect each one. So this particular one is a power fuse that supply to these ones. So each of them, they have their own functions. Okay. Now we move over to OPB fuse. That's 40 amp OPB2 fuse. Now from that fuse now, supply current to, let's see where this one is, behind left kick panel under drive. Okay, the inner fuse box under the steering. Okay, so that one supplied through this blue color. So that inner fuse box. Okay, supplied to how many fuse? 1, fuse 13, fuse 17, fuse 14, fuse 16, fuse 12, fuse 15. That one current supply current to about how many fuse here? So now from here we have individual fuse that if you remove any of them, it will affect only the component they control. But here, if you remove this OP2 fuse, it will affect all these. It will affect all these 6 fuse. Okay, so these are the functions. You can see that this fuse 13 control send current to front passenger power seat adjustment switch. Then fuse 17 still send current to that same module again. You understand? Then fuse 14 is a 20 amp fuse that send current to driver power seat. Then this driver power seat is another module different from the front passenger one. Okay, we still have about 2 fuse 14 and 16. They send current to that same module. Maybe for backup, yes. Now fuse 12 send current to subwoofer, the woofer. You understand, inside the car. Now fuse 15 send current to power stroke telescope. That when you slot in the key, the steering will move up and down. That's a power tilt. Okay. Now we are back to the main fuse. We have OP1 fuse. OP1 fuse 40 amp too. Now that one supplies current to tire pressure monitoring system control. You understand? Okay. That one supply current to another fuse 1 inside the inner fuse box. Fuse 1 supply current to fuse 2, supply current to fuse 3, supply current to fuse 4. Okay, the fuse 4 control heated seat relay. Okay, we have fuse 3 supply current to a module inside that particular fuse box, and then still supply current to moonroof control unit. Moonroof, it should be the roof side. Okay, then fuse 2 supply current to driver seat lumbar switch. Okay, fuse 1 supply current to tire pressure monitoring system. So that is how you can locate the function of each of the fuse. In case anything goes wrong, you can actually trace it down. So from this power fuse here, from this junction box here, you can see the functions. This one supplied to alternator. You understand? This 120 amp supplied to alternator. Okay. This one fuse 8 and the outside fuse box supplied to stereo amp. This one's not in use, not connected. Fuse 6 not connected. Fuse 9 is connected, 7.5 amp. Then supplied to enter the inner fuse box and come out to rear controller and screen USA. Okay. Fuse 10 supply to, so all of them, they have their own system. They have what they are working for. So in case anyone you need to trace, you can actually get the fuse. Let's go to the next page. Okay, the next page, you can see the continuation of the other fuse to this place. You can actually trace it, and then you know what they are working for. Brake light relay, trailer electric brake light, and the rest of them. So you can actually trace each and every one of the fuse to what they are working for. You understand? This is ignition coil relay. Is a main ignition relay. So you know where they are coming from. In case any of them that you cannot see current, you cannot trace down to where the source is coming from. So this is how you can trace your current. Actually very interesting. This is nozzle line. You can see the ignition that is going to nozzle line. Where are they coming from? Where are they coming from? Crankshaft position sensor. This is PCM, the brain box, the powertrain control module. The powertrain control module, the crankshaft position sensor. Okay, sensors. Where are the current coming from? This current. You can now trace down, follow this line, trace down. Make sure you don't miss the line. Trace down. The current is still going. Trace down to PGM F1 main relay. So the current that enter the crankshaft sensor and the camshaft is actually coming from this relay. You understand? So that is how you can trace. In case you don't see current in any of them, you can trace it down to where it's supposed to come from. Okay? Okay? This is a continuation. Yes, it's a continuation of that the fuse diagram. It's very broad, and very, very detailed. Okay? So anyone you are looking for, you can actually get it here. You can actually get it here and locate each fuse. If you have any challenge with each particular fuse, maybe the fuse is having issue, you can actually know what that particular fuse controls. You can actually know the function of that particular fuse and go straight to that component and then see what happened there. Okay, this is where I'm going to stop. Maybe in our next video I will show you more and in other cars. So I hope you have actually learned something from here. I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned and make sure you study this app. It's very, very, very helpful. Very, very helpful and make work so easy for you. Thank you. See you again. Bye for now.